friends, this is Life Coach Ishneet Sharma and I am connecting to you through Wellbeing by PBN. It has been quite a while that we have not spoken to each other. So I thought, what should be the important thing that we should be discussing today? Today we are going to talk about manifestation. What is manifestation? Things that you can make true for yourself. Manifestation is achieving something that you desire. Manifestation is bringing your dreams to reality. Manifestation is having the taste of that cup of coffee that you are just imagining and visualizing in your mind. So manifestation is very, very simple. I would tell you how and why I am calling it simple and how you can make it simple for yourself. Manifestation is something that you achieve in your life with practice. When you practice again and again, you can start with something small. Let's say if you feel like having kidney beans and rice today. For example, when I was in school, I felt like कि आज घर जाके राजमा चावल बने होने चाहिए. And I used to feel that taste in my mouth. I used to give that satisfaction to my taste buds. I used to imagine and visualize that I have reached home. My mama is telling me that it's already rajma chawal in the lunch today. So that used to manifest. When I used to reach home, actually I could see that was there. It was as simple as that. And especially when you are young, when you are in your youth, if you start manifesting at that age, your confidence will be very high. Now what manifestation to me means? Spiritually, it means that you have to be alignment with the source. When you are in alignment with your source, when you are aligning your thoughts with the source of creation, see, everything in the nature has been created. You plant a seed, it is a very small seed, but when it actually grows, when the buds are coming out, when the leaves are there, it is a manifestation of that plant which was just there in the seed. Similarly, your seeds are your thoughts. When you will have a positive thought, when you will think and feel about it positively, let's say you want to manifest that you have scored certain numbers in your exams. For example, if I am giving a chartered accountancy exam and I want that there should be pass written on my mark sheet, I can take out a similar mark sheet, paste it somewhere where I can see it and keep imagining that I have already achieved that score that I wanted to achieve. This will help me to get into that zone where I will be clear about what I want in my life, where I will be having full faith and trust. When I will be having that faith and trust in the unimaginable, in the things that we really want, then automatically I will achieve it. I will give you some more examples. When you are meditating and thinking about something and you surrender in that state, those things that you are imagining will certainly come true in your life. Another thing that helps you manifest is to keep yourself happy. Look at the activities that help you to keep yourself happy. If you like listening to music, do that. If you like dancing, do that. Keep yourself in high spirits. Keep yourself in the spirits wherein you are going to manifest anything that you desire. So what all do you need for manifestation? First of all, you should get clear on what you want. Second, imagine as if it has already happened. Third and most important is meditate regularly, give gratitude and imagine having that thing already achieved. Once you will get into the manifestation zone, you will be manifesting all that you desire. You can do it for yourself, and in case you are not being able to achieve any results out of it, you can get in touch with me. You can leave your comments or your questions in the comment box. I'll be replying to that very soon. For the practical tips on manifestation, start imagining what you want to have in dinner today. Don't share it with anyone and see how you can manifest it. Once it is manifested, do let me know that you have manifested it. Take care. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. This is Life Coach Ishneet Sharma signing off and looking forward to see you again. Bye bye. Take care.